directions, and these directions are linked to 6 questions. So now you have 6 questions linked to it just with one of the paragraph that is given to you. अब वन थिंग आप समझिए, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं कि एक पैराग्राफ से इतने सारे सवाल आपसे पूछ लिए, ये सब पहले का ट्रेंड है. बट आपसे क्या पूछा जा सकता है, ये दे दिया और एक ही सवाल पूछा है, तो ये हमेशा हो सकता है. इसीलिए प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी हियर. नाउ लेट्स सी, ABCD आर स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर स्टडिंग इन 4 cities. तो ABCD स्टूडेंट है, वो 4 cities में पढ़ रहे हैं. Not necessarily in this order. They are studying in science, arts, commerce and engineering college. तो 4 अलग सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हैं. And which are situated in 4 different states. तो 4 different states में है. ये सारा कुछ दिया हुआ है. तो based on further statement we need to decipher कि कौन सा स्टूडेंट किस सिटी में है, कौन से कॉलेज में है और कौन से स्टेट में है. चलो, now let's see, you have students A, B, C and D. So these are 4 students. We'll have to decipher in which city they are. So in which city they are studying, in which college they are and in which state they are. So we need to decipher this based on the given information. ये टेबल, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में आपको टेबल बनानी चाहिए ना. तो let's see one by one. पहला चीज़ जो दिया है, D is studying in Assam. So we know that D is studying in Assam. Assam यहाँ पर स्टेट इसका हो गया Assam. This is given. Arts college is located in city S. So city S which is in Rajasthan. तो अभी I don't know यहाँ है, यहाँ है, यहाँ है, बट राजस्थान है स्टेट. राजस्थान जहाँ भी होगा, जहाँ भी राजस्थान होगा वहाँ पर जो सिटी होगी, सिटी विल बी S and college will be arts. So I know this that अब ये S, आर्ट्स और राजस्थान या तो वो A का है या B का है या C का है. D का नहीं हो सकता because I know D is studying in Assam. So either A, B और C will be studying in arts college that is located in city S in Rajasthan. ठीक है. A is studying in commerce college. So I know that this is commerce. So if this is commerce, that means this doesn't belong to A. For sure, either it is for B or it is for C. B is studying in city Q. So if B is studying in city Q, that means B is not studying in city S. So I can directly fit that here, that C is studying in city S. C is going to arts college and this city is in Rajasthan. तो अब वो यहाँ मैंने fit कर दिया. Next, science college is located in Kerala. So we know that science college is located in Kerala. अब कैसे समझ में आएगा कहाँ है? Now see, this is already Assam, this is Gujarat, this is Rajasthan, this is commerce. तो अब science और Kerala साथ में आना चाहिए and only these 2 places are left. That means that this should be science college and this should be Kerala. So we are done with 3 states. Only state left here is Gujarat. We are done with 3 colleges. Only college left here is engineering. So this should be engineering. Now here we are left with 2 cities. One is P, other is R. We cannot, with this information, we cannot say that कहाँ पर P आएगा, कहाँ पर R आएगा, वो कहीं भी हो सकता है. So based on this given information, we have made this particular table. Now let's answer the questions. पहला क्वेश्चन है A is studying in. So in where is A studying? A is studying in city हम नहीं बता सकते. College is commerce and state is Gujarat. So A is studying in Gujarat. राजस्थान नहीं है, केरला नहीं है, क्यू भी नहीं है. क्यू क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि क्यू में बी पढ़ रहा है. So your answer is Gujarat. Science college is located in. So they are asking about the city. We know science college is located in Q. So city Q. C is studying in. So C is studying in city S, in arts college and in Rajasthan. So city S in Rajasthan and in arts college. तो ये सब गलत है. Option B, that is Rajasthan. अगला देखते हैं. Which one of the following is correct? D is not studying in city S. अभी हमने देखा था city S में कौन है? C है. तो which of the following is correct पूछा है, तो ये करेक्ट हो गया. D is not studying in city S. तो डायरेक्टली आपका यहाँ से आंसर आ गया For 19th the answer is A, that D is not studying. अगला भी देख लेते हैं. A is studying in science college. नहीं, A is not studying in science, it is studying in commerce. A is studying in Kerala. नहीं, in Kerala B is studying. Engineering college is located in Gujarat. In Gujarat you have commerce college located. तो बचे हुए तीनों गलत हैं. These three are incorrect. First one was correct. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding engineering college? Now regarding engineering college is here. So D is studying in engineering college and that is located in Assam. We don't know the city. So about engineering college we can say that D is studying there. Okay. Last one says which one of the following statement is correct? Engineering college is located in Assam. Engineering college is located in Assam. So यहीं से आ गया directly, it is correct. City Q is situated in Assam. नहीं, City Q is not there. C is studying in Kerala. C is studying in Rajasthan in arts college. तो ये भी गलत है. B is studying in गुजरात. नहीं, B is studying in Kerala. तो ये सारे गलत थे, पहला ही सही है. तो इट वॉज अ रियली ईजी क्वेश्चन. बस एक टेबल बनानी है एंड इस टेबल से 6 सवाल एक साथ सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर. बस इतना सा सवाल था, 2.5 नंबर का एक सवाल है बिकॉज इट इज़ द CSAT पेपर. 6 सवाल मतलब 15 नंबर बस एक क्वेश्चन से मिल गए. दिस इज 2018 ईयर. इतने इजी क्वेश्चंस होते थे